In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promotional pop-up in Squarespace 7.1, a fantastic way to engage your visitors and boost your marketing efforts. Let's take you through this process step by step so you can add an eye-catching pop-up to your website with ease. First, let's get started by opening the marketing settings on your Squarespace site. You need to log into your Squarespace account, and once you're on your home page, navigate to the home menu. From there, click on the marketing option and then select Promotional Pop-up. This section is where we begin crafting your unique pop-up. Next, we're going to enable the pop-up feature. Simply toggle the Enable Pop-up switch to the On position. As soon as you do this, the editor will open, providing you with a range of customization options to tailor your pop-up exactly as you like. Now, it's time to add your content. You'll want to start with a catchy title for your pop-up. Something like "Get 10% off" can immediately grab attention. In the body text field, you'll include the details or offer that you want to promote. If you're directing users somewhere specific, there's a button option where you can choose the text, such as "Shop Now" or "Subscribe," and input the link where you want the button to lead. For those of you looking to build your email list, consider adding a newsletter form to capture email addresses directly from the pop-up. With your content in place, it's time to customize the design. Squarespace provides various layout options such as center or split, allowing you to select the one that best fits your website's aesthetic. Make sure to adjust the colors, fonts, and background to align with your brand style, ensuring a cohesive appearance. You can also upload an image to complement your text, whether that's a product image, a promotional graphic, or anything that enhances the visual appeal. Now let's move on to setting display rules, which determine how and when your pop-up will appear to visitors. Navigate to the Action tab and click on Display Options. Here you can decide when your pop-up should show up, whether it's immediately on page load, after a visitor has been on the page for a certain time, after scrolling, or even when they show exit intent. Additionally, you can set the frequency of the pop-up appearance, deciding whether it shows once per visitor session, daily, or every time someone visits your site. Finally, it's time to save and test your new pop-up. Hit that Save button to lock in your changes. Then open your live site in a new browser window or an incognito window to see how the pop-up performs in real time. By doing so, you can make sure everything looks and functions exactly as intended. And there you have it. A fully customized promotional pop-up ready to enhance your Squarespace 7.1 website.